with another video. I'm excited for today. So I received a package in the mail and I'm going to open it and show y'all what I got. I do this app called Listia where you bid on things and you get it with free credits. And you can do videos and watch videos and get credits, or you can do surveys online and get credits. So let's open and see what I got. I'm terrible at opening things. I'm very slow at this, so bear with me. Okay. Oh my gosh. They wrapped this good. Okay, so let's see what I got. Okay. Nothing else. Okay. So I got a lip liner, Color Couture Cosmetics. I love that color. I got a brown one, Color Couture eyeliner, which I don't know if a brown would really work for me, but Color Contour lip gloss. That's a pretty color. And I got, it's like a beige kind of color, I guess you would say. Another lip gloss. So, yep, that's what I got in my package from Listia. Exciting! If you would like for me to post a video on how I do this on Listia, comment down below, like, subscribe, and comment. Bye!